Here are Tim Topham's 3 tips for practicing music more effectively. So what are some good practice tips that you can recommend?
Look, the biggest one, I refer to it as, I wrote a blog post about Google Earth practice, because kids seem to understand that idea of zooming right in on a difficult spot and repeating it slowly and perfectly until it's right. And then keeping the Google analogy, zooming out just a little bit. So where you zoom right into the front door of someone's house, you zoom out to their house, and then you zoom out to their street, etc., until you've hopefully encompassed that error point. The biggest thing that students don't understand when they're first learning is that they have to actually practice the hard bits, and they've got to do that first while their brain's fresh. So I think that is my absolute #1 practice tip. If I had a second one, it would probably be turn off your phone and get off Facebook and just take that right out of the room and just make sure you are focused.
Okay.
Oh, and third one, have a goal.
Yes.
Have a goal to achieve.
So for example, play bar 16 perfectly with no mistakes.
Correct, and do it 3 times in a row without any mistakes.
And then zoom out, and
and play do the same thing.
bar 12 to 16 with no mistakes.
Exactly, yeah.